And tonight's number is 732,000. So, this week the Republicans had a debate, CNN, big ratings, like Donald Trump says, it's incredible. It was incredible. The ratings were incredible for CNN. And Donald Trump has been very outspoken about this ideal of too many vaccinations. Too many vaccinations are hurting our kids, right? Bad deal. Vaccinations are awful. Now, Donald Trump, and the funny thing about the exchange between Donald Trump is that, you know, they asked Ben Carson, who's a doctor. He might be an idiot, but he is a doctor. And Ben Carson was like, oh no, vaccinations are important. But here's the truth. The vaccination of children from 1994 to 2013 will prevent 732,000 early deaths in the United States, according to the Center for Disease Control. In a report published last month, the agency announced that 90% of children under the age of 3 were vaccinated against polio, measles, mumps, hepatitis B, chickenpox, but fewer than 90% received the DTaP, the vaccination against tetanus, you know I can't pronounce this stuff, pertussis, influenza type B, pneumonia disease, hepatitis A, retrovirus, whatever. So now let's put this all into play, because as folks know, there was like an outbreak of was it the measles? The measles in Walt Disney World. And it was because, like, hippie people who live in Seattle in these homogeneous communities, they're homogeneous communities, right? They believe, like, I can't vaccinate my kids. Vaccination's the worst thing ever. And I mean, they're making this argument that vaccination's linked to autism and whatever. I don't know. I'm not a scientist. Right, and I will be honest with you and tell you that when I was growing up, my mom, a health professional, I got, like, there was certain vaccinations, like I don't have a hepatitis B vaccination. My mom she opted out of certain vaccinations she didn't think I needed, right? And I think that's fair. I think that parents should be allowed to opt out of some of the vaccinations they don't need. But overall, overarching, vaccinations are a really good thing. Right? They got rid of, like, smallpox. Right? Like they got rid of really big things that would kill a lot of people.